Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this Corel and math. Somebody had emailed me and wanted to know if they draw, let's just start over like in the last video, they draw a rectangle, but they want it 10 by 10 inches, but then it's 128.8%, and there's no way to get this to 100%. So the only way to get this down would be to, and you wanted it 25% of that item, you'd have to do what I did in the first video. But let's do this and use my old friend, the Smart Fill tool, and fill in that rectangle, move that rectangle away, left click, right click, and now you've got a 10-inch square and the scale is 100%. So if you wanted to make it 25% of that object, you just type in 25% versus going 10 divided by 4 to get the 25%. So the Smart Fill tool is another big advantage once again. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.